Good afternoon. Thank you for calling Baybayin Hotel Manila. This is Ace from the front desk. How can I assist you today?
Good afternoon. I'd like to reserve a room.
Certainly, ma'am. May I have your full name, please?
My name is Pat Marie.
Okay, thank you, Miss Pat. Just to make sure I have it correctly, may I confirm the spelling is that P-A-T for your first name and M-A-R-I for your last name.
Yes, that's correct.
May I know your preferred check-in and check-out dates, ma'am?
I'll check in on October 26 and then I'll check out on October 28.
So that will be 2 nights. May I ask how many guests will be staying with you?
There will be two of us.
For confirmation, ma'am, your check-in is on October 26 and your check-out is October 28, and that will be 2 nights. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. For October 26 and 28, we have different room categories available. And the first one is standard room at 3,200 pesos per night, good for 2 persons. And the second one, deluxe room at 4,500 per night, also for 2 persons. And last, we have a suite room at 7,200 pesos per night for up to 3 persons. All rates include complimentary breakfast, Wi-Fi, and use of hotel facilities. Which room would you prefer, ma'am?
Take the deluxe room.
Great choice, ma'am. So that will be one deluxe room for 2 nights on October 26 to 28 at 4,500 pesos per night. That includes complimentary breakfast, Wi-Fi, and use of hotel facilities. Shall I confirm that for you, ma'am?
Yes, please confirm it.
May I have your mobile number and email address so we can send the booking confirmation slip?
My number is 0951-285-8629 and my email is pachimarie016@gmail.com.
Thank you, ma'am. Just to verify, your mobile number is 0951-285-8629 and your email is patchiimari016@gmail.com. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, that's correct.
To secure your reservation, we require a one-night deposit. You may settle it via GCash transfer, bank deposit, major credit card. May I ask your preferred payment method?
I'll use GCash.
Perfect, ma'am. We will send our official GCash details to your email and mobile number. Please settle the deposit within 24 hours. Once payment is received, we'll email you the official confirmation and deposit slip.
Alright, I'll do that.
Let me repeat your reservation details, Miss Pat. Guest name, Pat Marie. Check-in date on October 26, 2025. Check-out date October 28, 2025. Number of nights 2. Room type 1 deluxe room. 4,500 per night. And inclusion breakfast and Wi-Fi. Contact number 0951-285-8629. Email address pachimarie016@gmail.com. Payment method, GCash to be settled within 24 hours. Is everything correct, ma'am?
Yes, everything is correct.
Thank you so much, Miss Pat. We look forward to welcoming you on October 26. Once we receive your deposit, we will send your official confirmation. If you have any special requests, please don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for choosing Hotel Baybayin, Manila, and have a pleasant day. Thank you.